Okay, we're back, and look, I don't know what happened. It looks like several minutes of that video were cut off. I can't go back through everything. A couple key things. I don't know if you were there when I was reading some of the. I had a phone call earlier in the first video, had to stop it, and was trying to catch up on some things. Basically, there's not the upshot is that it's not necessarily the Bulls have an edge, but the Bears, there's not a lot of anxiety right now either. We do have a massive potential for massive. I shouldn't use that word. At 10 o'clock, there's a speech by President Trump, and at 9:55, there's a Fed speech. So that little combination right there could cause some waves. As you can see right now, I'm really proud of this, and I'm really bummed out that video. And if you know me, you know I'm not cheating and putting this stuff on afterward. I drew this little blue area. I said, I would not necessarily want to take an opening range trade long, which is 2 minutes old right now. I use a 3-minute opening range, and I was right to not do that, even though we gapped up. I said that potential to get long would be maybe this value area high down to, and I said I hated to even extend it, but I'm going to extend it up to just below this little what do you call it? Volume edge right here where a lot of volume came in, and there you go. How about that, right? I'm so pleased when this is how things work out. Now we've been backing through the open quite a bit. There's not a big mad rush to take out the overnight high yet, so we could close the gap first. I don't know. Maybe we won't take out the take out the overnight high. The other thing I pointed out that we've had basically one-time framing up throughout the since the London session started at 3 a.m. It's been one-time framing up. Again, I'm not sure what all got left out when it got cut off in the video. Hopefully that you decided to pop back in and catch the rest, because right here was serious potential for if somebody wants to trade early to take a little extra. I'm really pleased with that. Now this value area high would not appear unless you split the profile, which I did a long time ago, earlier this morning. Okay, you can look at my video. This was already done. I haven't even merged it back. You have a VPOC way down here, and you have a VPOC up here to be mindful of, which actually it's covered on the edge of this gray area and covered on the on this blue where buyers might step in. That's all covered right here. Okay, doesn't mean it's going to stop there, but that's just an area to watch. So there you go. I don't know if I talked about this either, if this got in the video, but I'm looking at potential. I drew these on here. This is just, I had trouble with the zigzag, so this isn't exactly how I expect the TPOs to work out. But my point being is that we could see a move up, move down, back and forth, and we could possibly fall back into this big giant divot here where the market has been wanting to do business in these areas, as you can see. And, looking at possible range, because we are in a balance, couple-day balance. In the 24-hour, it's a little more apparent. We're in a we're above the balance now, but if we fall back into yesterday's range, that's when we want to be a lot more bearish. However, watch out for this 200 moving average at 27.48. Not sure if we'll get below that. I'll check this out real quick. Something's gone wacky here. Wait a minute. Oh, I see why. Excuse me. Okay, on this one, yeah, 27.48 is the same. So you want to watch that. But if we get down below there and we move, we're looking at the top of this trading range, this trend line, possible be places to stop. So I made a mistake. I'm glad I'm doing this video. Okay, so I thought this was going to be, this is the 24-hour chart I did this on. So this, even though it may still be valid, there's all these closes and opens here. There's an area, is not where the trend line is going to be. That's going to be Monday. We're looking at down here. And now since we've already done that, okay, well, I just watched this 48 to 53 area pretty tightly. Okay, this pre-market, unless you've watched all three, it probably seems, if you've watched all three, it probably seems quite discombobulated and not cohesive. But anyway, I know what I'm doing. I hope you got something out of it, and thanks for watching. Make a great day, Sunbeams. Bye.